In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a notebook in OneNote to another account. We'll use the export and import method, which is straightforward and reliable. And this walkthrough focuses on clarity, so follow along and pause if you need to. Start by opening OneNote on your computer. We're going to export the entire notebook as a single package file. Click the File tab at the top left to open the Backstage view. Choose Export, and under Export Current, make sure it says Current Notebook so you're grabbing the whole thing, not just a section or page. For the format, select OneNote package, which appears as .1pkg. This format is designed for moving or backing up entire notebooks. Click Export, choose a place on your computer where you can easily find the file later, like your Downloads folder, and click Save. OneNote will package everything up. If your notebook is large or includes many attachments, this may take a moment. It's normal. Just let it finish and avoid closing OneNote while it's working. Next, switch to the Microsoft account you want to move the notebook to. Sign out of OneNote, then sign in with the account where the notebook should live going forward. This step ensures that when you open the package, OneNote associates it with the correct account and syncs it to that account's cloud storage. Take a quick moment to confirm you're signed into the right account before continuing, especially if you juggle multiple profiles. Now import the notebook into the new account. Click File again, then Open. Choose Browse to locate the .1pkg file you saved earlier. Navigate to the folder where you placed it, select the file, and click Open. OneNote will unpack the package and load the notebook under your new account. Depending on size and your internet connection, initial syncing to the cloud can take a bit. You can start using the notebook right away, but give it time to fully sync, especially if you plan to access it from other devices. This process doesn't delete the original notebook in your old account, so you can verify everything migrated correctly before removing anything from the source. That's all it takes. You've exported your notebook, switched accounts, and opened the package to complete the move. Simple, clean, and effective. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more OneNote tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.